Looking for a healthy snack for your on-the-go lifestyle? Here's an easy treat to throw together in a snap. It's similar to a PB&J sandwich, but it's packed with more nutrients, more protein, less sugar, and no bread. So it's perfect if you're gluten-free or just avoiding simple carbohydrates. To get started, you'll need some peanuts and any dried fruit that you like. Personally, I prefer raisins, tart cherries, and cranberries myself. Despite their small size, raisins are packed with energy and rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Raisins also aid digestion, boost iron levels, and keep your bones strong. Tart cherries pack a powerful antioxidant and antiviral punch, which boosts the immune system. They also fight inflammation and arthritis pain. Cranberries lower your risk of urinary tract infections and act to prevent certain types of cancer. They also have been shown to improve immune function and decrease blood pressure. If you want to be extra green, you can even dehydrate your own fruit at home in a dehydrator. You can just use the fruit that you grow in your garden. And now that you've added your berries into a bowl, it's time to add in your nuts for some crunch, savor, and protein. If you have a peanut allergy, you can substitute any tree nut for your peanuts, like almonds, cashews, or walnuts. Heck, you might even use them anyway, because it's been known for some time that nuts have plenty of health benefits, because they're rich in essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin E, copper, magnesium, and high-quality protein, minerals, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, and antioxidants. So once you've added your nuts and your berries into your bowl, you're ready to snack. Bag them up and take them for lunches on the go, snacks, or treats at your next party. So be sure to mix up your own healthy fruit and nuts today. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.